Good morning, it's Monday, June 9th. Let's start with the gold. Gold had a high from last week, which was anticipated early week last week, and it actually worked out very nicely. The high was the high last resistance area was this point, and as you see, it basically traced down from it. After the retracement, it actually poked into this yellow zone. As you see, this yellow zone here is a continuation zone that might bring it all the way down to the main sell level, attraction level here. So if I go down to an hourly chart, let's examine the next resistance and the next movement possibility. Okay, let me clean up the previous arrows. As you see, the movement here poked into this. I would say in the hourly, this is a point of control. So there are a couple of levels of resistance from the view here. You see, this is the area that the gold might resist because of the volume profile, as you see. But I think the main resistance will be around the 50% or 38%. So somewhere around 3360, maybe 3371. I doubt it'll go to the 62% retracement because it's in the middle of the previous continuation zone. But if I move my Fibonacci to this area, this makes more sense. So I would say the last point of defense will be the 62% retracement here, which is around 3368, 3367 level on the gold futures contract. Okay, so I'm anticipating a move up possibly, and then a move down to the main attraction levels. Even on the daily, you see the attraction levels remain below. Okay, so that's gold for me at this time. Nasdaq continues up. The next level I see as a resistance. For the long term, I see an extension here. I don't have any volume profile there because the area is new. No, I do here. We might have a move up to this price, which is around 22,150, right? This is a longer term. On an immediate note, shorter term resistance, I would say I have, let's see, this is the resistance if it goes up. To find the resistance, the next one will be possibly around 21,000 here. So I'm expecting these two moves before it thinks of coming back down. All right, so I have on the daily, as you see, I have two levels. One of them, the bottom of the cluster, this cluster. The other one is the also kind of bottom of the next cluster. Okay. Same thing with the ES. I drew a Fibonacci extension. I have a resistance around 6,048 for now. And if I look at the daily, that coincides with a rejection zone. As you see, low volume level here. It might go back up as well. It'll go back down and then go back up to this level here too, which is the bottom of the next cluster. That's a possibility too, given the market's conditions and the zones and the strength of the ES. Now let's look at the crude. As anticipated since early last week, or actually before that, 2 weeks ago, that the crude is going to 66, and it is continuing the movement towards 66. Find yourself a good support level. I would say 63.60 will be a good support level. Let's see if we find another retracement, that'll be good. But we have also just above 64, as you see here. Actually just below 64, as you see in this area. So if I lift my line and I will look at it on the daily for a better view, this is my next support level possibly. As you see on the daily, it's actually a rejection zone on the volume profile. And that's it for Monday, June 9th. Thank you.